So today went a little bit weird for me. I realized that the weather is actually nice. It's probably 53 to 59 degrees today. So I just want to say to everybody that please be careful, because motorcycles are out and about. I know it's kind of weird for me to start my video off with that, but I've seen at least 2 different motorcycles almost get hit by people that, you know, either didn't see them or weren't paying attention, or I don't even know. But today was kind of a sketchy day for me. It kind of shook me up a little bit because obviously you guys know I do ride motorcycle from time to time. I like to buy motorcycles for like a month in the summer. But it was definitely a little sketchy for me to go ahead and see what I seen today in 2 different occasions, not just one occasion. The first occasion I was like, man, forget, it's getting nice out, people are starting to ride motorcycles. And then the second one happened, there was a group of 3 and an 18-wheeler literally pulled out in front of it and almost got all 3 of them. So it's super sketchy situations. But please guys, the weather's starting to break. Please be mindful for all the motorcyclists out there that ride. And if you're a motorcyclist also, please take it easy. You don't have to speed everywhere you go. You don't have to make a bunch of noise everywhere you go. Be safe. You're out there to enjoy it. Enjoy. Also, before we kick off the rest of the video, I just want to know, guys, this is sort of going to be a jump around daily vlog. Let me know if this is sort of the style that you guys like to see. I wasn't too thrown off by making this video. Normally when I try to make a video like this, I just feel like I'm jumping all over the place and I don't like it. But if you guys like this type of content, definitely stand by till the end and let me know which way you like it. If you like the daily vlogs, I'll take you guys on my trips. Now, not every day will be as busy and jam-packed as today was, but if you guys like daily vlogs, we'll daily vlog it. I won't do every single day, but we'll vlog it a little bit more and maybe put 2 days into one. But let me know. All right, roll the footage. Alright, we are back for yet another video here, and today I've got to give a huge shout out to our sponsor for the day, which is going to be ProLift. Now, they went ahead and sent us some jack stands and a jack and a creeper. The creeper did not unfortunately get here yet, but I mean, how can you kill that deal? So if you guys don't know ProLift, I'll put their information in the link below, and definitely check them out. They're not the most expensive, they're not the cheapest. Great quality so far. I've only used the jack one time, but we're gonna, I believe, use this jack a bunch today and just see how good it is. So without further ado, guys, this is going to be the 2001 Jeep Cherokee Sport that I ended up picking up. You've seen in a previous video. I bought this thing for 2 reasons. Number 1, I needed the axles. Number 2, my gearbox is going bad. I don't know if this gearbox is any good. And actually, number 3, which I kind of forgot about till just now, I need an alternator. My alternator is going bad in my Jeep. So this is like the perfect thing to buy. It was cheap. I don't know if it runs or drives, as you can tell by the previous video. We ended up pushing it onto the trailer. But as you've seen, we got a battery tossed in there. Yes, we'll talk about this here in a second. This was a huge bonus. And it actually comes with the harnesses too. So moment of truth here, the guy said it did run. However, when I got there, it did not run. So let's just see what happens. The gas gauge does not move whatsoever. So stand by, let me check that real quick. All right, so I did not actually buy this thing for the engine or transmission. So if it doesn't run, I'm not too upset about it. But if it does run, that will be a plus. So we go ahead and spray some starting fluid in here and see what we can get. 3 blown fuses. Let's see if that does it. Oh, volts gauge and battery gauge work now. There she is, she's alive. It actually has way better oil pressure than I thought it was going to, but she's alive. It actually does sound really good too. Got mud on you already. Oh yeah, 4-wheel drive works. Test 1 complete. Kind of nice not having a windshield. So this is kind of a gnarly hill. I know it don't look like much, but it is up over the hood. Let's see if we can make it up it. Oh, easily. Should we try that one? I don't think we're gonna try that one. Of course we're gonna try that. Stand by, let me get the dog out of the way. Doesn't have enough ground clearance for that there. My other XJ obviously climbs that with ease, but so far this thing's been running for probably a solid hour now. I've got to give it a win. Now I just got to decide, do I tear this thing apart or do I put 37s on it and just start having fun? Let me know in the comment section down below. We've got to run a couple errands here and I'll pick back up in a little bit. And for everybody that says that I don't clean up, we're making a scrap run here real quick. We got another scrap car here to take. So let's just jump in the truck and get rid of some of this junk that we got here. As you can tell, we're trying to keep clean. These are the Escalade wheels. They are junk. I'm not going to keep them because, as you do know, I do have a set of wheels on the Escalade. So I don't need to keep them laying around because I know for a fact I'm not going to put any tires on them. So let's just go empty this first load of scrap here and keep making progress. You can see all of this is getting cleaned up here, and then we'll go do the winch thing. So hey guys, I'm not sure if you can see, but there's Fred. Fred is still here at the salvage yard. Oh man, it makes me want to buy him back. Oh, so tempting. All right, let's go get Wade back in, but it's good to see Fred still here. I love that truck. Wish I would have had like the garage and things like that to build that truck, because I definitely would have. All right, let's get Wade in. All right, so I actually got a whole pallet here of aluminum and everything, and then 3 cats over there. Let's see what we get. Let's move the truck. Try not to show a bunch of my info here, but now you guys see why I keep what I keep. $304, $305 basically for a load of scrap, plus the 180 I got earlier for the car, I call today a win. $500 a day, and I didn't really do much. So now you guys see why my yard looks like a scrap yard a lot. All right, back to the house.
Was it that we're returning again?
What's that?
What was it that we're returning again?
Winch. The Badlands 12,000. Yeah, and then I paid I had to pay to add it back on for the new one. All right, well, not sure what all you guys heard there. Obviously, you were in my pocket. I don't really like to carry the GoPro in, but they swapped it out for me, so I've got to give Harbor Freight some credit where credit's due. Thank you, and definitely check out their winches. I mean, you can use them a little bit, but they're definitely going to break. This is, again, I don't know if you heard it in the video, but this is the second one that I've had to replace now, but it is what it is, guys. You live and learn. I'm loving the rough country ones on the front of the Jeep here. I've had this one on here, and it's done a lot more work than that one ever did, but I can't complain. So let's get back home and figure out what we're gonna do. Alrighty, boys and girls, well, we finally made it back home. Man, what a day, what a day. So we've got our winch here, and now it just comes down to the point of what do I actually do with the winch that they warranted. So as you guys do know, this is actually the second Badlands 12,000 pound winch that I had got replaced. I don't remember what happened on the first one. I think the lever for forward and back, or free spool and engage, I think that lever actually broke on the first one. Second one, as you've seen, I'm not sure if I have the video. If I do, I'll put it in right now. So as you can see, the last one just literally split the casing and everything basically in half. So one of my questions to you guys is, do you want to see me mount this either on the F450 or on the F350, or when I finish up my trailer, which actually should be next week, I should have the trailer finished up next week, do we just do like the same scenario that we had before and just sort of mount it on that little plate? It's kind of like a universal plate. This one obviously got a little bent up, but do we buy another plate here and get it mounted on, and then that way we can transfer it receiver, and then again on the front of my trailer actually has a hitch port on here to where it just slides into place, and then it's kind of portable. Or again, do we just mount it onto something and just utilize it that way? But man, I didn't even actually notice that, but holy cow, did the F450 take some abuse today. It is absolutely disgusting. I think I hit a thing of tranny fluid or something along the way, but we are gonna have to get this thing detailed because that is absolutely disgusting. I'm gonna pressure wash off Josh's trailer too. From it being muddy, it's obviously got mud on the front of it here, and then this side actually we must have spun a little bit more than the other, but it's got a lot of mud packed in this one. So we're gonna go ahead and wash the trailer up for Josh. But there you guys have it. Do you guys have to let me know too, do you guys sort of like the day-by-day vlog videos, or do you like the just, you know, we're fixing the F350, get the F350 fixed, and kind of videos like that, the off-roading videos? Or, you know, you'll have to let me know in the description down below. But there you guys have it. Again, if you enjoyed the content, please give it a big thumbs up, please subscribe, and we will see you guys in an upcoming video. Right, buddy? Right, Diesel? I guess I should have washed my hands before I start touching you. All right, guys, take care. We'll see you in the next one.